So y'all, the place that I decided to stay was with my mom. And I don't know, I mean the life that I thought I had it together. And it's like I went from staying in a 4-bedroom nice house in a nice neighborhood. Everybody stayed to themselves. But we all, of course, spoke to each other. I'm an introvert. I can't believe I'm actually making this channel, but I did. But again, I really thought I had it together. And I didn't want to face reality that I needed to start over. God brought it to my attention. Because at first I was like, God, why am I here? And it's just mind-boggling as to how I went from a 4-bedroom nice house to a bedroom, looking at 4 walls every day and filling out applications because I don't even have a job. It's like I lost everything at once. I mean, I'm just starting over from scratch, like from the beginning. I don't know if none of you guys ever started over from the beginning. But I feel like a child staying here with my mom, and I'm just unhappy right now. But I know things are gonna get better. It has to. I'm gonna keep praying. And each day, my life will get better. And each day, whoever is watching this channel and going through the same thing, we gonna all get through this together. And things gonna be better than what they were. Better than what I imagined. Especially if I keep God first. So I want y'all to do the same thing.